I think for my 25 years coming to the land, it's really special. Knowledge about food, the tools, everything, the ceremony, and, learning together, Miles and Ernabella.
Anangu was so generous, they're always giving. And we see that today. We've got Culture Day going on here, and there's about 50 or 60 people from the community here who've just come down because they want to be part of Culture Day, where they're teaching my kids and they're teaching Anangu kids as well. I'm just always overwhelmed about how generous Pukaja community has been to us over those years. And there's this whole thing of friendship that constantly goes on. We come back once a year and people will say, "Hello Neil," as though I haven't left.
Oh, and they love footy. Even the mums and dads, we have to go with them. Oh, we love it out here.
After the trip, I guess it left a big impact, for me, and I kept in contact, with the kids that I met at the school, and yeah, I was really keen, when Josh, my husband, was studying, I said, oh, when you finish, we should, see if you can get a job in Ernabella, and I'd just love to go back.
So, as a teacher, I just love it coming back here, and there's ex-students here, that just gives me a real buzz.
Well, the kids here love seeing them come in, and even the mayors love it to come out here too, because they have got to see, Aboriginal things as well, like Emmaus and all the cultural things happening for them, and see the land. More things we do, or paintings, and the paintings have stories that we can tell them about what are we doing.